Mongolia has ended a lockdown in several provinces, including the capital Ulaanbaatar. Not only has the spread of the coronavirus been curbed, the lockdown has brought cleaner air to the cities. But this respite is temporary, as Jeremy Ko reports.
48-year-old Suktagor Davajanson's family moved from the steppes to Bayankhongor 18 years ago after a severe winter killed all their livestock. The town is over 600 kilometers away from Ulaanbaatar, the capital of Mongolia, and is plagued by filthy air caused by emissions from coal-fired power plants and cooking stoves.
Тэгээ сая бас энэ ханаа төрөөр бас эмнэлэг твтэй тэгээд байнгал ерөөсө ханаа төрж идэг би суултай их сэтгэл зовоож идэг энэ зүг.
In Bayankhongor, the temperature barely rises above minus 20 degrees Celsius in winter. That's usually when pollution levels spike due to the burning of coal to keep warm.
За сүүлийн жилүүдэд Баянгор аймгийн хөөгтийн ханаа томоо жил ирэх тусам нэмэгдэж байгаа. Хөтний улирлыг дагаад агарын бохирдол бол дээцэгтэй хүрдэг. За энэ үед бол одоо хөөгтийн
UNICEF had declared Mongolia's air pollution problem a child health crisis in 2018, and it's working with the Mongolian government to reduce the devastating effects of air pollution on children's health. In Bayankhongor is replacing coal-fired stoves with electric heaters in some houses while improving insulation and air ventilation.
At the end of the day, this is not just about clean air. This is about how people's lives are being changed at a household level. The women and the children don't now have to wake up really early in the morning to warm their home through coal. So all these kind of good things, good changes that we are seeing.
But Mongolia's air pollution problem is not limited to Bayankhongor. Many of its urban areas, including Ulaanbaatar, also face this issue. Over half of Ulaanbaatar's population live on the outskirts of the city in gears like this. These areas often have no running water, central heating or sewage systems, and they're mainly populated by former herders like Suktagor who migrated to the city in the past 3 decades. Just like in Bayankhongor, residents in Ulaanbaatar's gear districts used to burn raw coal to stay warm. Though the city has since banned the use of raw coal for households, it's still not enough to restore clean air for its citizens.
Now there's only traffic issue in Mongolia, and we cannot manage with traffic jam. And traffic jam is not only very big problem for movement of people, but also problem of air pollution.
Climate change has also sped up the pace of unplanned migration to the city. According to the UN Environment Programme, the average temperature in Mongolia has increased by 2.1 degrees Celsius since 1940. That's more than double the rise of average global temperatures.
Increase of temperature and decrease of precipitation and the seasonal shift and so on, it means the climate of Mongolia would be more dry. And of course, lifestyle and life support system cannot be adjusted so quickly to the very rapid climate change. And therefore, climate change is a very big issue for Mongolia.
While COVID-19 lockdowns have provided some respite from bad air in cities this winter, all signs point to a worsening of the situation in the coming years once the pandemic is out of the way and internal migration and unplanned urban growth resume at full speed. Jeremy Ko, CNA.